Cold and flu season is here, and many of you have already been bitten by the cold bug. There are several things you can do to help keep you and your family healthy. I will be sharing some of my tips to help prevent cold and flu symptoms, as well as being prepared in case it hits you. As the weather changes, so do our health risks, and when the cold bug hits, the last thing you want to do is run out to the drugstore. So be prepared. I have created a special medicine drawer for me and my family in case illness hits, but if you don't have a spare drawer that you can certainly use a box to contain your items. Just to warn you, I do have a little bit of everything inside my medicine drawer. Nasal spray, living in Florida, you are bound to have allergies. A neti pot, if you don't have one, I highly suggest that you get one from your local drugstore. It's a nasal irrigation to wash out mucus and debris from your nose and sinuses, and you will feel amazing, I promise you. I also have cough drops and Clorox wipes. This is the to-go pack, and hand sanitizer. This is blood orange, and it's from Grove Collaborative. It smells amazing, and I'll have a link down below. Theraflu is always my first to go when I'm not feeling well. I also have the syrup as well. Tylenol is always great to have on hand for fevers, and the Vicks Vapor Rub. I'm so excited about this because they have the lavender scent. I also heard that people use it on their scalp. I don't know about that. Have you guys heard about that? I don't know. And this pill and vitamin organizer water bottle. Combine your daily vitamins or meds with water at the same time. This pill and vitamin water bottle holds 20 ounces of your desired drink, and it has a built-in pill organizer with separate compartments for each day of the week. And I will also have a link down below in case you want one. Relieve the effects of dryness and congestion and sleep through the night peacefully by adding a humidifier to your bedroom. I've always used humidifiers, and it was time for an upgrade, and I lucked up on finding one at the flea market. Not one, but two, $5 each. I know it's for a child, but it still does the job. Fruits and veggies are some of the best things you can eat when you're sick, and I usually do my fruits and veggies the next day after I do my grocery shopping, and before I go to the store, I always clean my kitchen sink. This way I can start prepping my fruits and veggies when I get back home. I love using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleaner to clean my sink. It's natural and it doesn't scratch your sink, and it also polishes, leaving your sink smelling amazing. After cleaning my sink, I lay out my cutting board and my knives. This way, when I get back home from shopping, I just wash my hands and start prepping my vegetables. Grove Collaborative is offering all of what you see here for free to new customers who spend $20 or more at checkout. You get the Mrs. Meyer's hand and dish soap and hand lotion, and you get 2 walnut scrubbers and their infamous cleaning caddy. Okay, so I have a little obsession with these caddies. I have 5 caddies, one in each of our bathrooms, and one I'm using to keep my supplies for my carpet when unexpected spills happens. Another one is in my office to house my supplies, and you will be getting a tour of my office refresh very soon. Whether you're sick or not, disinfecting should be a big part of your cleaning routine. I have a case of Lysol wipes that I literally go to every surface in our home and wipe down every point of contacts, like doorknobs. We don't think about this too often, but light switches, every one of them, especially now, thermostats, toilet handles, or push buttons, it's a breeding place for bacteria. Another high point of contact is the refrigerator door handles. Be sure to wipe down both sides, the inside of the door, and the freezer handle too. Your cell phone and your home phone. The easiest way to clean grime without causing damage to your touchscreen, use alcohol. It's great for killing germs. And your vacuum, the handle that is. When we are in cleaning beast mode, we are touching everything, so while you're at it, give the handle a quick wipe down. When a cold keeps you housebound, pamper yourself with a nice warm soak in your bathtub, but it's also important to take care of your skin and keeping it moisturized. I've been using Grove Collaborative personal care products, and my current obsession is the coconut body lotion. It has a big hint of coconut. For the best results, apply it to your skin right after getting out of the shower or bathtub. The skin superfood. I've been using coconut oil for years, and there's so many benefits and ways to use it. I use it on my hair as a conditioner, I use it to take off my makeup, and as a skin moisturizer, and it comes with an adorable spatula. And while pampering yourself, don't forget to burn a candle. This is the limited edition spruce and balsam fir. It smells like fresh cut pine, and I stocked up on 4 of them. You can dry off with a nice luxury bath towel like I did, and these are from Home Goods for that perfect spa treatment right at home. I hope this has motivated you in some way to get stocked up for the flu season, and I have a link down below for the Grove Collaborative offer and other items mentioned in the video, and I want to thank you all for watching.